and welcome back to my channel. Here is a special quick recipe that I am experimenting with today, which is why I'm filming on my phone, which you might find a bit weird, or the camera angle a bit different anyway, and also because I'm not very good at looking at the lens, I'm always looking at myself. But anyway, here goes. So, what I am making is Chambord, keto Chambord. What do I need for that? So I've got a 500, you can see here, 500ml jar. In there I've put 100 grams of raspberries, frozen, you can use fresh. And then I've got 10 grams here of blueberries, and all I've done to them is I've cut them in half just to help release the colour and the flavour. And then all we're going to do is pour vodka over the top. Oh, try and get myself in the frame. We're just going to pour vodka over the top, seal the jar, put it in a dark place and shake it once a week. It should go away for about 2 weeks, but just remember to keep it in a dark, cool place and to shake it at least once a day. Once the colour has changed and it's gone thicker, you will see. Oh, the other ingredient is erythritol. It's powdered erythritol, and I'm just grabbing mine now. I'm going to do a third of a cup, I believe it is. Yep, a third of a cup of powdered erythritol. Now this is to flavour again, so you can add a bit more. When you shake it tomorrow or in a week's time, you can dip your finger in and have a little taste and see if it's sweet enough. So, I'm just going to put that in there now. I know you can't see me, I'm only working on one camera today. So, powdered erythritol has just gone in. Let me just show you that. There we go. And then next I'm just going to pour in the vodka to fill the jar. And I'm not very good at doing things with two hands. Let's see, can you see what I'm doing from there? There we go. And then give that a nice stir till all of the erythritol has dissolved. I mean, it will still dissolve while you're shaking anyway, but can you see that loveliness in there? And there we go, that's all dissolved in, I believe. Just add a splash more to bring it up to the top. Close the lid, make sure it's nice and sealed. And it is. So then you can just give it a good old shake, like so. And you'll see on the bottom, oh, can I show you that? On the bottom, once that erythritol is all dissolved, it's ready. So I'm still shaking. You can see the colours are changing already. But yes, now leave that in a nice cool place, and it will last several months as well. And what I'm making it for is, we like to put it in our glasses of Prosecco Chambord, but they ran out at the shop, so I thought, well, why not make my own? It's only raspberries, dark raspberries. So let's see how this goes on. I will check back in with you in a week or so's time once I've shaken it every day to show you how it looks and how it tastes. So, see you soon. Hi, welcome back. So we're now in the future, technically. I have had my homemade Chambord liqueur on the side for just over a week actually. Now I'm speeding this up because I have tested and want to use this a lot quicker. So what did I do? I got a little bit of the sugar-free jelly. I think I did 1 teaspoon in a little bit of hot water, and then added that once it dissolved into here, shook it all about, left it for 3 or 4 hours, and that's just to give the liqueur a thicker kind of feel. Let me just swap hands. So yes, I did that. I've just come back now. As you can see from here, I'm trying to do this all one-handed today. I used the sieve. I placed it over a jug. I then emptied the contents out, squashed the fruit as well, but trying not to push the pulp through. And then I decanted it straight into here. So, I'm just going to pour now so you can see a Prosecco, and then obviously the Chambord. So I've just put a little bit in because it is quite early. And then a splash, oh, a bit too much, but There we go, you can now see that's quite strong and it's all natural colours, etc. So let's make that go a bit further. There we go. So, proof is in the pudding, how? Oh wow, that is beautiful. I know that was the wrong face, but that's because I just saw a red mark. That is so nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the other jar that I've got, because I did 2, and I'm going to leave that one till I haven't put any jello or jelly into that one, because by then that one should be thick enough by itself. This one I'm going to use tomorrow. So yeah, that is the recipe for that. I know this is not one of my normal videos, this was just, I'm making it, so I'm going to film it on my phone to show you kind of jobs. Okay, so apart from that, I am done for this year. I would like to wish every single one of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know this year is very different for all of us, but that's 2020. 2021 is going to be everybody's year. I'd like to also send out a quick message to anybody who's on their own, lives on their own, singletons like myself. You're not on your own, you're not alone. There's many of us in the world out there that think we're on our own, but we're not. So I'd like to wish all of you guys a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And drop me a comment down below to tell me what you got up to, what you did, what your plans were. I'm going to watch a lot of Christmas movies. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you liked this little recipe. Everything is in the description down below. If you want to hit me up on social media, can I do it on the phone? Hit me up somewhere around here. There might be some social medias for you. Apart from that, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, love to all, and see you next time.